Hello, people of the internet! Today's another episode for DIY. And in today's episode, I'm going to teach you how to decorate your simple cup, like an old cup, from this to these. It's so exciting! For this project, you'd be needing an old cup, a glue gun, some glue sticks, nail polish, and some beads for embellishments. Using hot glue, draw your design on the cup. After that, you should clean it. You may remove those thin strands of hot glue. You may use nail polish to put color on it. I decided to use 2 shades of gold because I think it will look much better. We'll see! I chose some beads to add as decoration. Just use hot glue again to stick them on your cup. And there you go! It's done! Ta-da! So you can put your plant, you can put pens in it, and you can put your brushes. So exciting. And they're so cute. And they're so pretty. Ayan, nakikita nyo naman mga titos and titas of the internet. Napaka-cute, napaka-arte, napakalalandi. Ay nako, may mga pajamante pa tayo dyan. O, meron pang paperlas. Tsaka matching pa sila nung julaman ko, diba? That's it guys. Sana may natutunan kayo uli sa episode today. Like, subscribe, share, something, whatever, keme. And I'll see you in the next episode. Bye!